So now, let me show you how the Wi-Fi LED bulb works. Installation with a few seconds. The light is on. First, we turn the setting. So we turn the Wi-Fi is already on. With each Wi-Fi LED bulb, there's an IP address is available. So let me find out. It is. With factory setting, we didn't make the password for the Wi-Fi LED bulb, but you can make the password by yourself in the apps. Now, let's turn the Magic Home Wi-Fi application. We scan again. We find out. Let's control. There's 6 million colors for change. Blue, green, red, white. And also you can change brightness with each colors. Let's try on off. Off, on. And also we have a warm white. The warm white is really great lighting. And with warm white also you can dim it. And toning mode is available, like gradual colors, like jumping colors. With toning mode, also you can change the speed. Let's play with music. We find out 3 music. Now, we start play. Next one. One more. Okay, custom mode. For custom mode, you can make any DIY mode for some memory days, for let's see, for marriage, for your kids, for your girlfriend, for party, so whatever you like it, and you can set it, confirm, and save it. And now let's play. Jumping, grader, and strawberry. Let's back. We can see the timer. With timer function, you can add a timer. For example, 6 o'clock in the morning. You won't wake up, so the light will be automatically on. And also you can make repeated for every day, Monday to Sunday, and confirm. For on, and you can see there's some colors for choice. For example, when the light is on, we'll be show you the color directly and confirm. Now, let me show you how to connect the Wi-Fi LED bulb to your home Wi-Fi router. Link to the wireless router. So let me find out the router, the password. Okay, we got it. Confirm. Just waiting for a few seconds. It will be done. Connection. Okay, we get it. So let's double check the Wi-Fi setting. So if you get it. Okay, so this is the Wi-Fi router, right? So now we're waiting for a few seconds for connection. Yes, we did. Let's back the app and scan again. One more time. Okay, we got it. You know, the function is the same. We connect the router or without router, the function is the same. Color changing, 20 mode, music, timer, and custom mode. All it's the same. So there's a great function. You can see remote. So the Wi-Fi LED bulb is remotely. It means wherever you are, you can control your home Wi-Fi LED bulb. So now let me show you how to setting the remote. Remote setting. And we turn on. Will take a few seconds. Yes, you see, now we press the remote. So you can see now it's already connected remote. This looks like an internet we call cloud. You press, so you can change in colors. So with this one now, we are using Wi-Fi, but later I'm gonna show you with 2G and 3G and 4G, all 80 watts. So on off, on. It's really great. So okay, now we turn off the Wi-Fi. We're gonna use 2G, see how it works. Let's back the app. We scan again. Okay, we see remote. You see, now it works with 2G. Let's see how it gonna works. With 2G, will be take a little slowly. For example, if you have your phone is a 4G or 3G, it will be fast. Let's see. We're changing colors. We did. On off. So you can see the Wi-Fi is already off. You can see here. Now we are using 2G, right? That means you travel to China and you can control your home Wi-Fi LED bulb with your smartphones. Even use 2G, 3G, 4G, or Wi-Fi. All works fantastic. It is very great. So just take attention. With our Wi-Fi LED bulb, when you want back to factory setting, so you need switch on, switch off 3 times. On off is 1 time. You need to switch on off 3 times. with each time switch on and off must be slowly in less than 10 seconds is fine. Not like not like that fast. Just like the normal speed on and waiting for 1 or 2 seconds and off. So like this, when you're doing 3 times, will be back factory setting. Thank you for watching. We hope you will like this Wi-Fi LED bulb very much. We're gonna see you next time.